Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 versus the BMW X4. We will dive into their performance, handling, and overall driving experience. Then, we'll explore the luxurious interiors, advanced technology, and practical features each vehicle offers. Finally, we'll help you decide which premium SUV best fits your lifestyle and needs. When it comes to performance, both SUVs deliver impressive power. The GLC 300 provides a comfortable and composed ride, perfect for daily commutes and long journeys. In contrast, the BMW X4 emphasizes a dynamic and athletic feel, making it a joy on winding roads. Both models typically come equipped with a robust 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, offering strong acceleration and efficiency. Inside, the Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 impresses with its elegant design and sophisticated MBUX infotainment system, providing a truly premium feel. The BMW X4, however, offers a more driver-centric cockpit with its intuitive iDrive controller and sporty aesthetic. Both SUVs feature high-quality materials, comfortable seating, and a suite of modern connectivity options to enhance every drive. For practicality, the GLC 300 typically offers more conventional SUV cargo space, making it ideal for families or those needing extra room. The BMW X4, with its distinctive coupe-like roofline, sacrifices some cargo volume for its unique sporty silhouette. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize traditional utility or a bolder design statement. Don't forget to check the description for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.